Okay, so see how that's chipped off there and all ruined? And it's the only one of these I have, so I'm gonna have to use it. That's because I'm drilling the hole up there for the tank pipe to go through. I don't know if you can see it. I may have to get up there with the thing. All right, don't take a picture of my ass right now.
I'm not.
I don't feel pretty. Okay, so can you?
Yeah, I can see it.
You can see it? Right there is a fucking screw.
Oh, that's
right where I need to put the pipe is a screw.
Of course there is.
From one of the boards. So I've got to get through that. It's already fucked up my drill bit. So, and like I said, that's the only one of that size I have. So, you know, there's the hole. I can't go to the hardware store.
No, can't.
I just can't.
Can't make yourself
So I'm
do
going to
that.
have to make that one work. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do, and I had Lynn's like, well, you don't want me to film because it's not going to be triumphant. I thought, well, maybe it will be. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is take, that's a metal bit, I'm going to try to go through the fucking screw and bust the screw off with a metal bit.
Oh, okay.
Will it work? I don't fucking know.
We'll see.
Kind of working
Yes.
so far. Okay, now that I've done a bunch of it, I'm going to try getting a screwdriver now and using it the way you're not supposed to. Because, again, I don't want to have to go look for my nail punch.
Of course, of course.
Don't walk off of that backwards.
Okay. Go on.
That's the problem with having everything spread out everywhere.
Yeah.
Every time I go to get something, it's not where I need it. Spend all my time looking for shit. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to try punching it with this. This is not a standard screwdriver, which is what I was looking for. Ooh, I almost got it. Okay, now I'm going to hit it again with the drill. See, if I had a standard, it would be flat on there. I would fucking have a better chance of staying on it and busting it off, but I'm gonna fucking go look for the motherfucker. I'm gonna have to.
Okay.
It's not gonna freaking work. Now I'm gonna try again with a regular screwdriver and see if I can get it, because the drill is drilling around it, but it keeps popping off the damn screw. And as you know, if you hit these screws just right, they will break. You know, unless you really need to put a hole there.
Yeah. And then there's no way.
And then they're like, fuck you. It's not gonna break.
Of course not.
I just need you to break, you fucker. Now I'm gonna try drilling it again. The problem is look at that drill bit, see? Now that's where the sharpest points are, blah, blah, blah. So you can't get it to stay there.
Right, right.
Okay, so now I'm going to try something else. I just drilled through the outside.
Right.
Now I'm going to try freaking...
Hammer it through?
Well, if nothing else, I can get a file in the hole now.
Yeah.
So, what did I just teach you? None of the shit I tried actually worked!
But if you have to, you
I
can...
just keep changing the game plan. goddamn file the motherfucker off.
Yep, because you've still got a cut there.
Yeah, I still have to put a hole
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
That's the thing. It's like that's what fucking 99% of the time. That's what takes all your time. Not building a cabinet, not putting in the tank. It's all the little bullshit stuff that goes fucking wrong.
Yep. Okay, we'll come back. Okay,
It's on.
it's on.
All right. So I went to my BitBox. I've had that BitBox for 45 years probably. Since I was 16. And I'm, what, 62 now? Okay. I've had this BitBox forever. All my old bits went in it. So when I went to look for some, I said, man, what I need is an old chainsaw file. But I don't want to use my good chainsaw file. Well, here's something I bought a bazillion years ago. Forgot I even had it. But when I was going through my BitBox looking for bits this morning, I saw it and I thought, man, I think I have that. Okay, so as you can see, I don't even know if you can buy these anymore. What it's for is for reaming out metal. When you drill a hole, but the hole still isn't big enough, it allows you to ream it out.
No.
But at any rate, so now, let's see if this will work.
See if it'll actually work up there.
But this is why, you know, people will say, well, I never use that tool. Don't get rid of tools, people. Unless you have the same tool over and over again. Why do you think I pound on my screwdrivers all the time? Because I have 4 billion screwdrivers. If I break one, it's not the end of the world. Woohoo! It's
That's
working.
awesome.
All right. I think I can actually drill my hole, but I'm going to wait. Well, because I'm old. And doing that actually makes my arms tired up above my head.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
I'll stop for a minute.
Okay.
Okay. And see? 30 minutes later, there's a fucking hole. Now I'm just going to use this same thing to just kind of clean out some of the rough edges. Because, of course, I can't get on the outside to do that
No.
without putting the ladder up. And I've already got to do that once. I don't plan to do that more than once.
Yeah.
And I already have to do it. Okay, so let's hope when I put this one in,
That there's not
for the
another
air
nail.
hole, I don't run into yet another fucking...
Yay, I hope not.
I hope not too.
We'll come back and celebrate when you don't.
Okay.
Okay, you were on.
So I went to screw the second hole. Bigger than shit, there was another screw.
Yes.
I finally wound up getting it bent up to one side after filing it and everything else, and I got the hole through. So all of that, about 40 minutes I've wasted. And I told Lynn, I said, about halfway through this, I was like, why aren't we doing that fucking tank?
Yeah, exactly.
So now we're going to try to, now I got to put it up in there and measure the hole. So
Okay, let me put this down so I maybe can do something.
yeah. All right, so I've got the frame that it's setting on up. I'm just going to work on getting it done as good as I can. It's a pain in the ass, let's not lie. It's one of those things about halfway through this, I thought, man, why do we need water in here? I don't fucking know.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
But that's hell for stout.
Yeah, it should be. Well, it's got to be because water is heavy.
Yes.
And I thought this was a 25-gallon tank, but you can't really see it. But right there, this is a 30-gallon tank.
Yay, that's a lot
So,
of water.
It's a lot of water. It's a lot of weight.
Yeah. Of course, it doesn't have to be completely full all the time.
I'm getting ready to fix it so that I can foam it before I go any further, because once I go any further, it's going to get harder and harder to actually get in here to do anything with it.
Yes, because there'll be cabinets and everything.
There are going to be cabinets and shelves and all kinds of stuff. So
Yeah.
it's definitely, it's not a minor undertaking, it's a major one.
Yeah. Yeah.
But running water in your treehouse, right?
Yeah, no kidding.
Everybody needs that. No, they fucking don't. I'm wishing I didn't even start it.
Okay, we'll see it finished.